I've been trying to track down a vibration rattle for several months in my 2013 BMW 335i. I've tore apart the dash, which really isn't as hard as it maybe looks or sounds. I thought the rattle was coming from the heads-up display, the head-up display, or maybe the instrument cluster. But as I removed those things and took it for a test drive, I could tell it was not. But there are common rattles in this car all over. Some say the head-up display bezel rattles. Mine wasn't, but that's a place you can look. Some say the speaker grill rattles. That wasn't mine. I think I figured out where it was, which is this silver box with the blue plug going into it. As you can see, it's just loose. I can't tell how to secure it more, but it has a black plastic lever or clip, retaining clip here, that makes a very similar sound to what I've been hearing. And this happens not every time I drive, but most of the time. And at certain speeds, it'll just vibrate and it sounds like it's coming from up higher. But I'm going to secure that maybe with just some tape. It's in there very, very loose, and I can't tell how to secure it otherwise, but just to eliminate the rattle, at least it won't take much just to secure it. So that's a place you can look if you're trying to diagnose a rattle that you just can't figure out. The other common places that rattle are this heater duct thing you can just pull off with your fingers. This instrument cluster comes off with just 2 screws that go up through the top. It's very easy to take off. You take those 2 screws off and you can just pull it out. You've got to pull your steering wheel all the way down and back so you can get it out. That door pin rattles as well, which is a place you can look. And those are the most common rattles, but check in here. I removed this little mini glove box right here and to gain better access, so you may or may not have this in yours, but to remove the light control, it's easiest if you take the vent face out first and then sort of pry this back. You can see it has these metal tabs here. You can reach them from the inside, reach down through that hole and push down on this on both sides and then let it pry out. So that's what you're dealing with there. And then you can get in to see that. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks.